Are you ready to unlock the secrets of wealth and embark on a transformative journey to becoming a millionaire? Look no further. In this captivating video, we present you with Cracking the Millionaire Code, 10 books that will transform your wealth journey. Join us as we delve into a carefully curated selection of books that hold the power to revolutionize your financial mindset and set you on the path to prosperity. From timeless classics to groundbreaking contemporary works, each book has been handpicked to provide you with invaluable insights and practical strategies for achieving financial success. In this video, we provide a comprehensive overview of each book, highlighting key concepts and the actionable steps they offer. From learning the principles of wealth creation to understanding the psychology of money, these books cover a wide range of topics essential for building wealth and developing a millionaire mindset. Discover how to leverage your strengths, overcome limiting beliefs, and navigate the complexities of the financial world with confidence. Unleash your entrepreneurial spirit, master the art of investing, and gain a deeper understanding of money management techniques that can propel you towards millionaire status. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur, a young professional just starting out, or someone eager to take control of their financial future, these books will empower and inspire you. Each one is a treasure trove of wisdom and practical advice that can transform your approach to wealth accumulation. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to crack the Millionaire Code and unlock your true wealth potential. Join us on this exciting journey towards financial freedom and abundance. Tune in now and let these 10 life-changing books become your trusted guides on the path to becoming a millionaire. Which financial book is your top pick? Let us know in the comments below. 1. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This timeless classic explores the power of the mind and provides a blueprint for achieving success and wealth. Hill interviewed hundreds of successful individuals to distill their secrets into a practical guide for readers. 2. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. This eye-opening book challenges common assumptions about millionaires, revealing that many of them live frugal and disciplined lives. It offers insights into wealth-building habits, saving strategies, and the importance of financial independence. 3. Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Through personal anecdotes and contrasting the mindset of his own rich dad and poor dad, Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of financial literacy, assets versus liabilities, and building passive income streams. 4. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Considered a cornerstone of value investing, this book teaches readers about long-term investing, risk management, and the importance of performing thorough analysis before making investment decisions. 5. The 4-Hour Workweek by Timothy Ferriss. Ferriss challenges traditional work models and shares his principles for lifestyle design, time management, and building businesses that can operate with minimal effort, allowing individuals to focus on their passions and enjoy more freedom. 6. The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. Set in ancient Babylon, this book imparts financial wisdom through engaging parables. It covers topics such as saving, investing, wise spending, and the importance of taking action to achieve financial goals. 7. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Housel explores the behavioral and psychological aspects of money, offering insights into human biases, risk tolerance, and the importance of long-term thinking. This book helps readers understand their relationship with money and make better financial decisions. 8. The E-Myth Revisited by Michael E. Gerber. Gerber explains the common pitfalls entrepreneurs face and emphasizes the importance of systemizing business operations to achieve scalability and success. It provides practical advice for aspiring and existing business owners. 9. The Warren Buffett Way by Robert G. Hagstrom. This book offers an in-depth analysis of Warren Buffett's investment philosophy and strategies. It explores his value investing principles, including understanding businesses, evaluating financial statements, and identifying long-term investment opportunities. 10. The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. While not directly focused on finance, this spiritual book encourages readers to live in the present moment and cultivate mindfulness. It highlights the importance of clarity, focus, and making conscious decisions, which can positively impact financial choices and overall success. Each of these books offers unique perspectives on wealth accumulation, financial intelligence, and personal development. By studying and implementing the principles outlined in these books, you can gain valuable insights, refine your mindset, and take steps towards building wealth and achieving your financial goals. Remember, continuous learning, coupled with action, is key to making progress on your journey to becoming a millionaire. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, smash the like button and comment for more great content.